Oh no. That thing was scary.
Ooh. I already won. Whee! Oh no! Oh no!
See you later, loser.
Oh no! Trying to be more aerodynamic. Here I come! No! No! Whoa!
There we go.
Whoa!
I swear last year when I rode it, you could control the speed with the Rondo. Now it's like mounted on.
I'm gonna beat you.
Oh no! I'm scared of stuff falling out of my pockets. It's a long way down. Oh, here we go. See ya. Oh, we should have tried to high five. Oh, here we go. Hey! No, you won! Damn.
That was really good. I think we should go again.
That'd be cool.
Keep the same speed.